should be implement this building bylaws.
Unong ilam jong kaliang persya KHDC uba Tito Starwell Khan ulaong baga council kadang yai up ya ka Ministry of Panchayati Raj ban Bhah no ya ka jing siu ka ba jong ka tight but on tight grant ka bala Bhah na ka benta ka dobar snong syaki jaka nong kendong Hapoh jong ka 15 Finance Commission uba Khan ula trei hashwa kum chief executive member ula batai ba ka jing penslam ka day na ka daw ka jing penrung badangshan jong ka ministry ya ka mobile application ka badon kam na ka benta ka council ban pentip ya ka jing pentrei ya ki scheme ki badang ya shakman ule tu ru ba u executive member u badai khmi e ka roi ka par u ba pawal soklet ula dep ban penshai lo ka ne ka mat ka balara ha ka yeng
from that 50%. Regarding those schemes which already money is already sanctioned, money already reached in the council, the last EC have issued their war order, final order. But the problem now, according to this Ministry of MOPR, that any scheme which we are going to be implemented, you have to have that acts. That acts, that means the GE, before any contractor will start the work, they have to take photo at the initial stage. And in the middle, also they have to take one photo. And in the final stage, that means after completion.